All right, but let's do it together. Hold on. All right, so. Here we go. All right, so what we got? What's the question?
200 is 10 times as much as is 10 times as much as.
200 is 10 times as much as n. We can use any letter, it doesn't matter. So what do? Can you walk me through it? Because we got multiplication right here, what do we do to both sides?
You divide 10.
So we're going to divide, right? Because you got multiplication, so we got to do the opposite. And we're dividing by 10 on both sides. Can you explain to me why we're dividing by 10 on both sides?
Because 10 is what we're multiplying n by.
Right, and we need to get this in what? By itself on this side of the equal sign. Okay? So what happens now?
We divide 10 by 10 and 200 by 10.
All right, so what happens now? I got that.
We cancel out the 10s.
We're canceling out the 10s because, I mean, we can do the math. It would be 1, but there's no point. So once we do that, what do we do to this side over here?
You make it...
What are we bringing down?
The n.
Bring down our n. 10s are gone. Now, over here, what are we doing? Simple math.
It's you do 10 divided by 200.
But what's the easiest thing to do over here?
Take out one of the zeros.
All right, we're going to cancel out at least 1 0 at the top because we got 1 0 in the denominator. So now we reduce this fraction to 20 over 1. And 20 divided by 1 is what?
10. No.
20 divided by 1
is...
Anything divided or multiplied by 1 is itself.
20.
20. That's it. That makes it easier. Okay? So let's look at that again real closely up front. The question was 200 is 10 times something. So we threw the letter n in there. So we had to get this in, this mysterious, we didn't know the answer yet, by itself. So we divide both sides by 10 because on this side of the equal sign, there's 10 times n. So we need that n to be by itself. So because we got multiplication, we're going to divide 10 by both sides. Whatever you do to this side, you have to do to this side. So these 10s cancel out. We're going to drop down our n. Now we got our mystery answer over here by itself. We got 10 over here. Very simple. Because we got a 10 in the denominator, it has 1 0. We got at least 1 0 in the ones place up top. You cancel out these zeros. Now you're left with 20 over 1. If this was like a 3, anything higher than a 0 in the ones place, you can't do this cancellation. Anything higher than 0 in the ones place, this doesn't work. It has to be in the ones place. Cancel them out. Now you got 20 divided by 1, which is 20. 20 equals n.